Welcome to Arizona Cycle Park.
Hey guys, it's Cool Rider. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day. It's my first time motor crossing, dirt bike riding, I don't know. Drop a comment down below if you know the exact term. Raise your hand if you fell today. Raise your hand if you fell twice today. Raise your hand if you didn't listen about getting a chest protector and knee pads. Raise your hand.
Just freaking slipping. That was a confidence skill.
When you fell or what?
Twice. Oh, I'm dying. My back hurts.
So on Thursday, we tried to go to Thousand Oaks Cycle Gear only to find out they closed a few days ago, and then we actually had to drive back to Cycle Gear in Oxnard, where we actually live in Oxnard, and it would have been probably like a 10-minute drive versus it being like almost an hour drive. So yeah, we went to Cycle Gear in Oxnard, got all our gear. We got jerseys, our pants, we got what else did we get? Gloves, our helmet, and then our goggles, and then the boots we actually got probably like a week or two ago because we were trying to prep. And then so last night on Friday we actually drove. After I got off work, we drove. Actually, Cool Rider with a K drove, and I was just sleeping the whole time. And then so we got here at the track at I think at 8:30, and then we started riding. Cool Rider with a K actually got a good deal on a Kawasaki KLX 140 long. I guess it's a what?
Say long. L.
Oh, L. Not long. I don't know what the L stands for. It stands for
Large wheels.
large wheels.
It was a good deal. We got it for $1,500, and they normally sell for $23,000, maybe up to $3,000.
bigger bike. Are you ready?
No. can try to record me putting it up. Record me putting it up.
It was your first time motocross riding also. What are your first thoughts?
Riding the smaller bike, I felt a little bit more confident, but I did beat it twice today on the same lap. Kind of shook me, but we still got at it. Seeing the power difference between my brother's bike versus this one is big, and I do recommend starting on the little smaller one just to build that confidence and basics. So hopefully we can hit the track a little bit more, and I'm hoping she's into it, you know.
Thumbs up, I like it.
Alright, I like that. Hey.
Can you wheelie this? That? Oh yeah. You know, you need a helmet. No, then no, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh my god.
How do you feel?
I'm dead.
He's a survivor. So my brother-in-law actually works at this place. What is it called? Arizona Cycle Park. We just went wild, but he is actually teaching a class right now.
That's because, okay, I get it. You go slow, but dude, when you just give it like double the gas, you're like, oh, this is so much easier on everything. Like body, the bike. Just think about it. You drive first gear in a Civic and you just stay first. You're like, right? So go to second, third gear, just cruise it. That's it. Nah, this bike is perfect for you guys.
Is there a benefit of putting it on that little stand? Like, what does that do?
Yeah, so you can take off the front wheel, take it all the way off and do something, and then you still have access to take your back wheel. It's like putting your car in jack and taking all the wheels off.
So we had a long day, but we both enjoyed it. It was so fun. Hopefully we're able to come back soon and get more footage for you guys, so you guys can continue watching both me and Cool Rider with a K grow as riders, as motocross riders. I really liked it. It was kind of scary when it would kind of slip a little bit, but I guess that's part of it. You just have to keep going and just, I guess, give it more throttle when that happens, or no? KB?
I think so.
He doesn't. He doesn't know either. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and remember, keep it cool.